Skin is glowing, my energy is flowing, confidence growing, glow up is loading. When I look in the mirror, I see everything I want and everything I can ever need.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicki. This is Life with Naturally Nicki, all right? Here I talk about my life after divorce, navigating it as a woman in her mid-30s. So if that's something that is of interest to you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell so that you get notifications whenever it is that I come on and post, all right? Now today I wanted to sit and have a heart-to-heart to the girlies who are navigating that life after divorce as a single mom, right? We're gonna talk about what it really looks like, and don't think that this is just about struggle, because it isn't. It's also about strength and the love that it takes to embrace the role of becoming both parents. Let's get into it. Now, if you're watching this, this may be a part of your new reality as well, right? You have the needs of your kids, you're constantly juggling your emotions, and the logistics that used to be shared are now on top of your plate as well. So here's something that I've learned going through all of this. Accepting change is not just necessary, but it is something that will be empowering to you in your journey. We're gonna talk about it. Some days are extremely overwhelming, and believe me, I get it. If you guys see me, I'm active every day on TikTok, so I'm constantly driving around, heading to cheer, heading to football, then therapies and all types of things going on in my life. I'm also a live host on TikTok where I go live Monday through Saturday, so I'm constantly moving and shaking all around. So in addition to like the stuff that I need to do, I also have to do the stuff for the kids. So that could be making the breakfast, helping with homework. And sometimes, I'm not gonna even lie, we do get lost in the mix. It's just so much stuff going on at one time. But then there are those moments, you know, the ones that I'm talking about, the ones where you figure something that used to be the other person's thing, right? The other parent's responsibility, and you get that aha moment and you realize, you know what? I didn't think I was going to be able to do this, but kudos to me, right? Pat on the back, because I'm out here doing it every single day. The stuff that I couldn't imagine doing by myself is now second nature. And I know I'm not the only one who has these moments. What we're going to talk about is, you know, you just start to get that I got this. And the more you do it, each day it gets a little bit easier. And that is the blessing, my friends. Embracing the role of both being mom and dad is you tapping into a strength that you didn't even know was possible, right? You didn't have to think about it before. It's about showing immense love when you're stretched thin. You're literally doing everything for everybody at every time, and you don't really have time for yourself, but you still show up. And that is a skill, my friends. When I tell you it is a skill that not many people possess, because a lot of people don't have to go through it, so they could never know, but you do, and you are showing up. So don't take that lightly. Like, those small wins is a win. It's still a win. Make sure you are showing yourself some grace, all right? Let me tell you, the love that you feel from your kids in those moments, that is pure gold. Like, can't nobody take that away from you. And just know that you are definitely doing it, and your kids will know to grow and appreciate it in the long run. I'll tell you from my own personal experience, my son, he loves scooters, and he had like a baby scooter. So, you know, the one that has the 3 wheels, but he's outgrown it, and I switched out his scooter, right? We bought him a two-wheel scooter for Christmas. It's summer now. He has not touched that scooter. So normally, if you know and you follow, you know that I walk in the park every single day. Typically, I try to do about 5 miles just to, you know, get myself going before the day starts. Now that school is out and it's summertime, I gotta get these kids out the house with me. So my daughter is doing cheer, so she doesn't come, but my youngest son, I take him with me to the park because I don't need him to burn some of that energy. And y'all, me teaching him how to stay balanced on the scooter, keep his foot up, and I'm literally running beside him. And y'all, I'm not no spring chicken, and I'm also not the smallest out there. So yes, I'm panting, I'm out of breath, but the satisfaction that I got when he felt so confident that he was able to, you know, ride his scooter and hold his balance and, you know, steer, because it's so many components that go into it. And I was able to teach him that. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I do feel like it was one of those things like, hey, why don't you take the scooter to your house when you go to your dad's house on his weekend? If he comes and gets you, like, y'all could have did that. That should have been a bonding moment for them. But I'm not gonna like, what's the word? I'm not gonna withhold something from my child because I want somebody else to do it with them, right? He has the scooter here, it's here at the house with us. So I just took it upon myself to be like, you know what? I'm gonna teach you how to ride the scooter. I'm gonna show you, and then I'm gonna let you practice, and we're gonna get this done together. And that is something that was like, you know what? I didn't think I would be able to do it. One, he's way faster than me. One, he's on wheels and I'm just running beside him, but we did it at the end of the day. So it took laughter, it took crying, it took high fives, it took thumbs up. There was times he wanted to quit, there was times I wanted to quit, but we both stuck with it, and now he is riding like a pro. So it's all about growing and learning together. So y'all just embrace those changes. You got this. To all the single moms out there, you are not just surviving, all right? You are showing up each and every day, and you're showing others what strength and love looks like. You are the blueprint for that, for you and your babies. So yes, it's gonna be tough. Yes, you're incredibly tired, but it is so rewarding to know that you are doing it and you are out here doing it well. So keep on showing up, keep embracing the journey. And if you ever feel low, come back to this video, chat with me, and share your stories in the comments, because I know I cannot be the only one who's going through all of these changes. Now, if you appreciated or found any type of value in this video, let me know down below, all right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real talks and support. And hey, drop a comment below letting me know how you're doing, or share a tip, all right, that has helped you along the way. As always, stay beautiful, stay you naturally. Until next time, bye.